Wastewater disposal through tankers is no longer practical. Each tanker trip adds up, costing you financially, environmentally, and the time. What if you could recycle the water and reuse it, rather than paying for tanker services every time? Introducing our latest all-in-one sewage treatment plant, which can transform your wastewater, looking like this, to this crystal clear water. Our sewage treatment plant is specifically designed for community camps, residential buildings, commercial buildings, and hotels. What makes our sewage treatment plant especially better than other treatment methods? Thanks to the latest MBR water treatment technology, we have created a unique, compact plant that benefits from a reduced footprint, reduced maintenance, and lower power consumption while delivering exceptional water quality. As the Middle East's first MBR manufacturing company, we can offer products with greater quality and readily availability. The recycled water can be used for various applications such as irrigation, cleaning, sanitation, and construction. Due to its compact plug-and-play design, our sewage treatment plant is available for both rental and purchase. Join us in our mission. Recycle your water and contribute to a sustainable environment. Wastewater is not a waste until it's wasted. With Almasa MBR, wastewater treatment made easier,